This short tutorial explains how to buy shares of Morningstar Inc. and uses eToro as the demonstration platform. Morningstar is a provider of investment research and data listed on NASDAQ under the ticker MORN, and this video is educational, not financial advice. To buy the stock, you need a broker account. I'll use eToro to demonstrate the process. After registration, you will verify your identity with an ID, and you must add funds to your account before buying. Use the platform's search bar and enter the ticker MORN to find Morningstar Inc. Select the matching NASDAQ listing to open the official stock page. On the stock page, review the company summary, recent news, and the price chart to understand current context. Confirm the listing shows Morningstar Inc. on NASDAQ with ticker MORN, so you have the correct stock. To invest, tap Buy or Trade, enter the amount you want to purchase, then carefully review and confirm the order details. If the market is closed, your order may be queued until the market opens, and the platform will ask you to add funds if your balance is insufficient before confirming. Your new position will appear in your portfolio with holdings and transaction history. For convenience, the eToro link is in the description if you want to visit the platform.